Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a top right and top left effect using transition in Capcut for PC. Alright, so for instance I'm going to select the images to the clip and I set for the image duration in 1.0 second and go to transition and select the camera and you can find the top left and top right. So for the first transition, you are just going to select top right, and this is for the duration in 0.4 second or zero point 0.3 second. So the second transition, select top left. This is for duration, right? And next, top right again, and top left, and so on. So this is the final effect. And you can also add the effect. For example, I'm going to select camera check effect, just for the rank and the speed. Right. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.